Happy New Year! This is Tracy with your thriving tip for the new year. This one is entitled 14 Dots. And so at the end of last year, I had to get some new glasses. And so I went by myself to the store to get the glasses, and I picked some that I thought looked pretty good on me. Took about a week to get them, and when I did get them, I put them on. I thought I was going to have that moment. Oh, I love these new glasses. But I really didn't have that moment, and I was completely disappointed that that didn't happen for me. And so I wore the glasses for about 5 days, and I thought, oh, I'm going to have to take these glasses back. I'm really not happy with them. And then I got this great idea, and it involves 14 dots. And so let me show you my new glasses. I'm going to change them out. Here we go. And I'm going to zoom in. Hopefully you can see there's 7 dots on this side and 7 dots on this side. For me, what was lacking in these new glasses was something interesting. And I know I'm supposed to be the interesting thing, but honestly, the glasses, usually you have them for about two years or so. And I knew every single morning I would look in the mirror when I put the glasses on and say, these glasses aren't doing it for me. So I went to the craft store, and my great idea was to do something a little interesting for them. And so now I can't stop looking at the glasses. They make me so happy. And all it took was 14 little dots. So I'm wondering what in your life is bugging you and is making you completely crazy. And every time you think about it, you have a little mini meltdown. And I'm wondering, is there a simple little tweak or a little fix that you can make that will change everything for you? All for me to make these glasses work long into the 2 or so years that I'm going to be wearing them was really 7 dots on this side and 7 dots on this side. And now I can't stop smiling in my glasses. Happy New Year. I hope you find that thing that you can change that will help make you happier. Enjoy!